Okay, doing a video of my air tank install on my F250. Up underneath here is my air chuck, nice and neat, out of the way, nice and rigid, and shouldn't get caught on anything. I can connect an air hose to it to fill a tire up or run a small tool. Let me go up underneath here. Here's the back of my air chuck. Here's the compressor itself. It's a 200 psi stainless steel air compressor. Here's a fabricated diamond plate cover for it. And it's all plumbed in to this stainless steel tank. It's got a bleeder valve where I can let the water out every now and then. Aircraft braided steel line. It's mounted to the inside frame. It's stainless steel itself. Got an extra chuck right here too in case I need it. And here's where I put the horns. It's 4 horns. They're tucked in up underneath here, kind of out of sight, out of mind. So you don't even really see it.